change your life.
Олег, проходи медленно, сейчас. Вот, видно, да, на 10 минут там видно, что есть
When in the open status, the tablet, its display is 7.8 inch and it's a very slim display. This is audio, and it also can be bendable.
Oh
Yeah, and you change it to a phone. It's a phone and with a curved display. And when you open it, you back to tablet.